Check out this 80s classic here at Unique Specialty Classics. One of my favorite Oldsmobiles, 1983 Oldsmobile Toronado Brougham. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, just a little over 48,000 on it. V8 underneath the hood, 5 liter. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Great looking front end on these cars. Take a look at the chrome in the bumper, headlight surrounds, bright work on the grille. Still retains the Toronado hood ornament too. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Tires were put on in 2023, so just approximately a year old. Correct Oldsmobile wheel covers, and the tool is in the glove box with the owner's manual for removing those if need be. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. This would be autumn maple metallic as far as the color goes. Vinyl top would be dark autumn maple. Good looking color combination. Of course, nice plush interior. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'm going to show you that here in just a bit too, also maple colored. Very stock looking interior. Paint shows well on this car. Would I say it's perfect? No, but hey, does it have a nice shine? And as you can see, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. It's just there's certain spots where it shows its age a little bit. Take a look at the deck lid. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the filler panels, also nice shape. Still retains the original badging from the Oldsmobile dealer from when it was new. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, take your time looking at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the trunk, interior, engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, front wheel drive car. Take a look at the driver's side. Again, not full of any major nicks, dings, dents, scratches. Notice there is just kind of maybe a little checking in the paint there. Kind of tough to get it to show up there. You can kind of see it. Again, this being awful fussy. Nice looking car. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just taking it down the road. You know how nice these drive out. Opera lights. We're going to test those out too when we start it up. Let you hear it run. First, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, power seat over here on the driver's side, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. Now, as far as this interior, it's one of those colors where if I stand back, it's going to show you the true color. That's a dark burgundy or maple interior. If I get right up on top of the fabric, it starts to wash it out. It is not that light. It is a deep dark. Right there. That's the true color of that interior. Has to do with the lighting and how close I get to that. Like I said, it kind of wants to wash it out when you get up close. So if you see the still pictures and it looks a little bit lighter, it is actually that color right there when you see it in person. Nice, deep, rich looking interior. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM, cassette player. How about that? It was the 80s. Top of the dash looks good. What headliner? Headliner looking good. Interior of this car just as nice as the exterior. Again, there's your actual miles, 48,707. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. It's fired up, 5 liter V8 underneath the hood. Delco brand stock stereo. That is working.
For details. If you don't see it.
And again, AC blows cold. Another look at the top of that dash that's not checked, sun-baked. Like you see so many of these cracked. This one, beautiful shape. Door closes nicely. Vinyl top is in great shape. Rear defrost. Cool car. Sounds as you'd expect. I'm going to click these lights on. I want to show you something here too, that opera light. Alright, parking lights are on. Driver's side works. I believe the bulb could need to be replaced on the passenger side. And we get these questions a lot on the opera lights. Everybody wants to know if they're working. Probably have to change the bulb in that one, but I wanted to show you that driver's side. Alright, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second here. We're going to check out the engine bay, take a peek at that, and like I said earlier, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, give you a look at the underside of the hood. Pretty clean hood liner there, and very stock looking engine bay. Nice and clean, not full of corrosion. Power steering, power brakes, AC's low and cold, 5-liter V8. Paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. There's a battery disconnect here too for in between drives or maybe when it's in storage. It's a beauty, folks. 1983 Olds Toronado Brougham. Actual mile car. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1983 Oldsmobile Toronado. The odometer only showing 5 digits, but it's showing 48705, and it feels like a low mile car. That could be correct based on the feel. Everything seems to be working. Our left blinker working great, speedometer working, temperature a quarter of the way up the gauge. There's a fine little mist falling out of the sky, which is just enough to show you that the wipers are working. Factory stereo. With the built-in equalizer and cassette. I have not tested the cassette, but FM is working well. Our cruise control, I just pressed the button and that is functioning. Nice quiet ride from this semi-luxury automobile. Multi-position, power seat, forward and backward is working, and the lower tilt is working. Blower motor works on this car. Our brakes are working well. Nice power brakes. Easy to steer, power steering. Very good condition interior with plush cloth split bench, I would say. Pushing the throttle down, the kick down does work. And acceleration is what you would expect. Very nice 1983 Oldsmobile Toronado. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.